Alright, so this is my RDT 3.0 implementation, just kind of going over, or a video with me going over everything that I've done here, which should be all of these things. So, uh, before I go over RDT 3.0 delivers delivers under no corruption, let's take a look at it with corruption, and then we'll do that after. So, let's do 38. Alright. So alright. So let's see. Wise men make proverbs, grove, coffee, sea, and cobalt. Alright, so it's all there. This time doesn't really time out, so when this connection, when the client cancels the connection, the server just kind of lets me know that it's not connected anymore. So that's what that is. Alright, so now let's take a look under no corruption. So Vim. Alright, so you'll see that that last test was with 0.2 in there for each value. Alright. 9. Let's open up the other one. 9. Alright, server running with 0 values. Alright. So yeah, once again. Alright. So once again we have Wise Grove. Looks like all of this adds up. And check. Alright, resends data following a NAC. So this is for let's take a look. Server. Alright, so if we get a NAC, we are going to send the NAC back to, this is on the client side, the NAC, we're going to send a NAC to the server and let it know that we, wait, is this the server or is this the client? Yeah, this is the server. Yeah, so if the server gets a NAC, it sends a NAC back to the client, letting it know that, hey, I didn't get anything, can you resend me that thing I need to translate? Yeah. Alright, so on the client side, if we get a NAC, we resend our last message, which we have saved here, which is sweet, because it just kind of keeps the loop going. Alright, retransmits a packet after a timeout. So, if we, right here, if the time elapsed data plus timeout is less than time, then we resend that message as well, same command as for a NAC. And let's take a look at the server. So the server does not do that, but the client does. RDT 3.0 ignores a duplicate packet after a premature timeout or lost ACK. Ignores a duplicate packet, so that would be, we're going to take a look at that in the client. So in the client, we see, we keep track of all of the original bunny ears translations that we've gotten. So if we get a repeat translation, we just don't do anything with it. Right here, yeah. So copy is a method I made to test if something that we have is equal to the message we just got, and if that's true, we just reset it and continue to loop. Otherwise, we add that message into the original so that we don't end up copying that again. Alright, I think that's it. Thank you, and goodbye.